Everyone, welcome back to Codez AI. In today's video, we are going to learn how to perform basic math operation in JavaScript like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So let us start our video by creating a JavaScript file as script.js. So this is how you create a JavaScript file. So my JavaScript file is created. Before performing any arithmetic operation, we need two numbers or more than two numbers. So in coding, we have to create a variable and then store the two numbers in that variable. Okay. So in JavaScript, we use let keyword to create a variable. Let me just show you how to create. Let a is equal to 30 and then let b is equal to 40. That's it. Then we have created the two variables and we have stored the number in that variable. So next we have to perform addition. So let us see how to perform addition. Let add a plus b. Then let us just print the answer console.log. This is how you print in JavaScript. Add colon. Then we use a plus to print the answer. So let us just save it and let me just show you the output. New terminal. Here just this node and my file name. Okay, we have got the answer as 70. Okay, so next let us perform subtraction. Let sub is equal to a minus b, then console.log. In double quotes we just print it colon sub, and here after double quotes adding we just print the sub. Save it and let me just show you the answer. We should get minus 10. Let us see. Yeah, we have got the answer as minus 10. Okay, so that's it. Next let us perform multiplication. Let mul is equal to a into b colon console.log. So mul, this is how you print it. So let me just show you the output. We have got the 1200. So that's the correct answer. So next let us perform division. Let div is equal to a divided by b. Then we have to print the answer. We print using console.log colon after adding div. That's it, done. Let me just save it and let me just show you the output. We have got 0.75, and then at last we will perform modulus. Let mod is equal to a modulus b semicolon, then just print it. Done. Let me just run it. Okay, so the mode is 30 and that's it. Okay, we just performed all the 5 basic math operations in JavaScript. These operators are super important and you will be using them a lot when coding. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Codez AI and hit the bell icon for more quick coding tutorials. See you in the next one.